Hi everyone, I'm Stuart from the Norfolk Honey Company and welcome back to my office on this very showery and intermittently sunny day. I was going to pop out to one of the apiaries to show you my latest gadget that I've just purchased and give you a demonstration, but it's been so wet and cold this morning that I really haven't been able to get out and dodge the showers. So I thought I would do a mock unboxing video here in the office. I know there are lots of YouTube videos out there doing unboxing videos. This really is just a simple take the thing out of the box. So without further ado, let's have a look at what it is that I've purchased. And it's an oxalic acid vaporizer or sublimator. It's called the ProVap220 and I'm just going to give you a rundown on what it is, how it works and what we can expect from it. So here it is. This is the ProVap220. It's a 230 volt, 250 watt, 2.5 amp oxalic acid sublimator or vaporizer, and in the kit you get the actual unit itself, two ceramic oxalic acid bowls, so the powder goes into the bowls, and a little measuring spoon. How accurate that is I need to check, but we'll try that out perhaps in a video next week when we actually use the unit itself. It comes fitted with a UK plug, so it's got a moulded plug on it and fuse fitted, so that's all good. The unit itself has a digital readout on the back, so we'll plug it in and just have a look at the unit. And so the unit itself has some adjustments on the back, but it is set to calibrate itself at 230 degrees. So let's just plug it in and take a look at the readout on the back. So we've plugged the unit in and you can now see that the output temperature is rising quite steadily. It looks like it'll only take a couple of minutes to get up to temperature, which is great. So I've turned the unit off because I don't want it melting through my cutting mat and into the desk, but the bowl here is where the heat is focused, and the ceramic bowl goes onto the top, is then turned over, and that allows the fumes to go through the nozzle and out the front. In terms of construction, it looks really well made. It's got a nice solid plate on the bottom with a rocker so that you can rest it perhaps on the top of a beehive roof while you're preparing everything. It's got a great display on it, which we'll show you next week when we actually test it out on a beehive. And generally the whole construction looks really well made. So I'm looking forward to getting out and giving it a try next week. I'll put details to further information about the unit in the description below, and we'll catch up and show you it in action next week. So that's the ProVap220. It looks like a really good piece of kit. I'm looking forward to getting out into the apiary and giving it a try. It's now getting a little bit late to be treating with oxalic acid, but I really do want to give this a try and see how it works. So sublimation is not something that I've used before. I've always used the trickle method, but this reportedly only takes about 20 seconds to do each hive, and so with so many hives now, it's going to be a real boon and a time saver. So I hope you found that interesting. Just a short video today. By the time this video has gone live, my online beekeeping course for beginner beekeepers will be live, so please do go over and take a look at that if you're new to beekeeping. You can find it on my website, and I'll put a link down in the description below. Don't forget to join us on Facebook at Stuart's Beekeeping Basics, and I'm also on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll leave the details for those down in the description below. And finally, don't forget we have our crowdfunding webpage, which is patreon.com/Norfolk Honey, where you can help create more videos and also access a variety of new content that we're now putting out. So please do take a look at that, and we'll catch up next time. Thanks for watching.